Hello everyone, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First you need to enter your keypad, as this is the place where we can enter secret codes. So the first one is *pound *pound 426 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode. In this panel you can check events and also status. And if you wish to get a bit more detail, just tap on more icon and select advanced view, and then you will have more info. So then you can go back, as this is all for this code. Another one that you can use here is *pound *225 pound asterisk. And here you've got the calendar info. So once you are logged in with some accounts, for example Google account, iOS account to this device, all events stored there would be displayed here. So this code allows you to remember about every upcoming event. Let me go back then. And the last code actually that I would like to show you today, also the shortest, is *pound *06 and this one will show you your email numbers. Tap on OK to exit, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.